Hi there. So I have to share with you. This is Fort Casey, where I'm at. It is on Whidbey Island. It is in between Copeville and Green Bank. It's right across from Port Townsend. It's also right at the ferry that takes you over from Copeville to Port Townsend. And so it's a gorgeous fall day. We're September, and so we have lots of people out visiting. It's also a great place to watch people fly kites or bring your own kite. And so look at this gorgeous day, and we're right here on the water. This is a Puget Sound. We're looking across at the Olympics. And is this not just fabulous? So this area, our Fort Casey, goes on and on and on. And so you can see that there's more of the fort that comes around this way. And straight down below is where the ferry is at from Copeville to Port Townsend. So if you just follow the signs from Highway 20 or the 525 to get to the ferry, it will bring you right here to the Fort Casey. Or if you're heading to Camp Casey, it's right here also. And so just a phenomenal spot. If it's a cool rainy day, it's still, a nice walking area. But if it's like today and it's fall, it's just a gorgeous day to be out. Am I not a lucky girl to live here? Yeah, I am. Okay, bye.